Hello guys, welcome back again. This is Suresh from Vision channel. Today, let's see how we can rename a local branch using a git bash commands, and we will see how we can convert a branch name in local, later how we can convert the same thing in the remote. So let's get started. So this is a simple technique. We have to do first git branch. So just to check where we are. So we are at one of the branch called old branch. So I named it as a old branch. Now I need to convert or change the name of this branch, but when I am in the same branch I can directly use this command called git branch git branch minus m or hyphen m. Then I wanted to change this name to new branch. Okay, now you can see the branch name is now changed. If I do a git branch, then my branch name is new branch. Right now I'm in the local branch, but I wanted to do the same thing in the remote environment, because in my remote, this is my remote, and here you can see the branch names are still old branch, but in my local it is changed. So to push the change into the remote branch or remote section, we have to do one more command called git push origin then the new branch. So this is my new branch name, right? So this I wanted to push to the new branch to my get remote. So now you can see the changes went there, and let me do a quickly refresh here. Now you can see there is a new branch which came in, which creating as a new pull request. So what I can see is there is a new branch is there and old branch is there, but if you see the changes will be the same as it is that of your previous branch. Now what you can do is, after getting the branch into the remote, now you need to delete that old branch. To delete that, so I can simply say that git push origin origin hyphen delete then old branch name, old branch, then hit enter. Now you can see the old branch is deleted. Now I will set the track. So git push set upstream origin new branch, right? So I think there is a spelling mistake, right? Now the upstream track is set to my new branch. So if I go to a remote and quickly refresh this project, now you can see the old branch is removed and the new branch is available. You can compare and create a pull request. So these are the simple techniques that you can rename your branch in your local and get remote. Hope you like the session. In case if you are new to my channel, do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.